This is an old school jazz step from the early jazz days. Here's what it looks like. This step is also used in classic Broadway tap. Let's get started. You will start by stepping on your left and develop a kick your right, crossing to the left corner. Then step on your right and kick your left to the right corner. For now, keep your legs low, and with a little more practice, you can get to hip level. Try that with me. Step, kick, step, kick, step, kick, step, kick. Great. For this combo, we will do 2 counts of 8 with our hands on our hips and 2 counts of 8 with jazz hands. Try that with counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now jazz hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Are you ready to add music? Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You just did the combo cakewalk kicks. Awesome job!